Wellness and well-being is our topmost priority at Adani, and with their successful projects over 8 to 9 years, coming with their first project Western Heights from Andheri to BKC, now they're coming to Kanjurmarg, and with their well-connected and well-presented project Erica by Adani. USP of this project is where it is situated. Right in the middle of Powai and Mulund, this project is situated bang on the LBS road with upcoming metro lines like 4 and 5 that connect you from Thane to Wadala. Apart from that, Eastern Expressway is just 5 minutes away, and GMLR Expressway that connects you to Goregaon in just 30 minutes is right at the radius of 10 minutes. Apart from that, talking about hospitals like Fortis and Hiranandani are just 15 minutes away. Kanjurmarg and Bhandup station are just 1 kilometer in the radius, that is approximately 10 minutes away. Schools like St. Xavier's is just 2 minutes away, that is fall under the radius, and Orchid International School is just 15 minutes away. So this was all about the connectivity of this project. Now I shall give you the overview. So I'll give you a proper project overview right from the bottom to the top of this project. So at the bottom we get retail stores, that is on the ground level and also on the first level. After that we get basement and 3 levels of podium parking, and after that we have 2 acres of podium amenities area, that is open and closed amenities also. So the clubhouse is of around 26,000 square feet, and the amenities area you get a lot many amenities with your major USP, that is the air purifier by Adani, that actually is covering the whole 9 acres of land parcel of this project that is purified by that air purifier only given by Adani. So these are 5 low density towers, out of which 3 towers are already launched, 2, 4 and tower 3. So these are the 3 towers that have already been launched. So in tower 4 we have 1 and 2 BHK, in tower 3 we have 2 and 3 BHKs, and in tower 2 that is newly launched we have 2, 3 BHK grande and 4 BHKs available. So I think this is all about the project overview. Now I shall give you more about the amenities and more major USPs of this project along with the sample flat. Let's go. Your well-being is the topmost priority of Adani. They are being very mindful with their amenities only designed for your well-being. Home, where health is the major priority, and so is Adani taking care of it. Some of them are ice bath sessions, Ayurvedic spas, Himalayan salt rooms, oxygen bar centers. Apart from that, they have juice centers just for the fitness freaks like me, Miyawaki Forest that has over 1500 trees, and open event lawns for your party and other events. So this was about the key amenities. Apart from that, they have 45 plus premium amenities also available. So now I shall take you to the sample flat. Let's go. This is your spacious 2 BHK sample flat apartment with carpet area 826 square feet starting from your foyer area. But आपके requirements के according, you can or you cannot get your foyer area. Moving on, this is our spacious living room, sized 215 square feet. So you can see, and I'm giving you this figure so that you can understand कि कितना spacious आपको मिल जाएगा आपका living area with an attached deck. Now I'll give you the briefing about this specific area because this is the major USP only Adani is offering. May it be your 1, 2, 3 or 4 BHK. आप अपने requirements के according decks attached with your living room and bedrooms आप इसे occupy कर सकते हैं. So you can see you'll get a deck that is sized so spacious कि आप अपना evening table and 2-seater आराम से यहाँ पर situate कर सकते हैं. So this was the major USP. You can get your decks with each bedroom in your apartment according to your requirements. Moving on to our dining space. So this is also very spacious again for your 4 to 6-seater dining table. The floor to ceiling height is 10 feet. Moving on to our kitchen space now. So this is our double platform kitchen again. आपको compartments के लिए भी बहुत enough space मिल जाती है of course because it is luxury, and you're also getting utility area with each apartment. May it be 1, 2, 3, 4, any BHK you get, each apartment and each flat gets this utility area attached with your kitchen space. And Adani is also giving you air purifier with alkaline water. So this is also an addition to your kitchen space. Moving on now. So right in front we have our common washroom. As you can see again, this is very spacious, vitrified tiling, branded fittings. आपको ये washrooms में मिल जाएगी. Apart from the mirror and the lower compartments, you get everything just the way it is. Moving on now to the common bedroom now. So this is our common bedroom, very spacious and well utilized, nicely made. आपको ये मिल जाएंगे full length windows which gives you exact feeling and the love of your environment. तो ये हमारा मेजर यूएसपी अगेन हो जाता है. So they are being very mindful if not you want your balcony space. Moving on to our master bedroom now. So this is our master bedroom again, very spacious, and यहाँ पर आपको ये वाले फ्लैट में यहाँ डेक भी मिल जाता है attached with your bedroom. Isn't that luxury? आपको ये bedroom में भी एक balcony space मिल रहा है for your 2-seater evening table space with an attached washroom right here. Again vitrified tiling, branded fittings and French windows for ventilation. The flooring is satin finishing tiles, which is again luxury and very smooth looking. So this was our 2 BHK sample flat apartment, and the pricing for 2 BHK is starting from 1.80 CR plus taxes. For booking purpose आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.